Welcome to MarineMax Maryland. Today we're on this 2025 Scout Boats 195 Sportfish. This is the black hull side color with the Yamaha outboard engine. Engine is a 150. It's a great boat for around here in the bay, fishing, crabbing, getting around easy in and out of different locations. Starting here in the back, you have two jump seats, as well as cup holders beside. There's access into your bilge. Rod holders on the back, swim step with the 3-step ladder on your port side. More rod holders. What I love here, nice stainless steel grab holds. More rod storage below. The leaning post is really interesting. So beneath the seat, you have your bait well, and then this backrest can be popped out. You can put two rod holders there and just have it a little bit more open back in the cockpit when you're fishing. When you're ready to go, put this down, you head up to the helm here. So Scouts put in an induction phone charger, fusion radio, and then the Yamaha binnacle here. This is actually a key fob, so no more keys involved. You'll just have that on board and you'll press the power button and that'll start the system up. Steering wheel tilt, and then right in front of that you have your Yamaha gauge. You can put an optional screen in over here, Ritchie compass, as well as some nice SeaDek up on top with the Scout logo. Windshield, and then above us you have a T-top, Bimini T-top with T-bag storage. And then one thing love to know, this is new from Seastar. This is your trim tabs. So gone are the twin guessing game. You have just a dial where you want the trim to go, bow, up and down. So love that. Finally, moving up into the bow. Love these midship cleats, recessed, large bow pad, forward leaning backrests on this boat. We have your bow cup rod holders, anchor locker, as well as more hand grabs. Very large bow pad again, and then with the 195 you do get igloo cooler with a cushioned seat back, so another great spot for somebody to sit. All in all, great fishing boat, great for here in the Chesapeake Bay. If you have any questions about this boat, please give us a call. My name is Perry. You can be reached at 410-732-1260.